Hey guys, we're going to the beach now, but I didn't want to wear like a bikini, so I just wore this. It's a dress actually, but it's short. I just wore this to cover it up. So yeah, I don't feel like wearing a serious bikini. Like, no, I'm just not up for that right now. So we are going to the beach. Oh, hi.
Let's go.
Get out. We didn't even press the lobby.
Why are you over?
I'm tired. I want to get to the beach. Like, since we came, I've been wanting to go to the beach and we didn't go.
Blah, blah, blah.
And you know how it took me to beg you to go to the beach. So I'm like, thank you, Lord, for being on my side today.
Ah bon?
We're here.
Enfin.
Hi. You're going to need some credit for our cell phone. Should we buy the credit for going to the beach?
That's not the real reason you're going. Tell the truth to the YouTubers. Let me tell you the truth. I can't because I'm not sure.
Well, like if you try me today, yeah. You guys see all the gods there sitting there? We're gonna miss
The
you.
chicken.
All the gods you see, like people standing there. If you don't stay in the hotel and you don't have access, you can't pass all these kind of colors. If you're just a tourist, you will have to stay in the hotel.
Are you always running?
Am I running?
Oh la la.
I walk fast naturally. You walk so slow, nigga. Sorry, I think the pool is over there.
No, I understand.
It's over there.
She's hungry.
So we can't swim here. Well, can we take some pictures here? We can, yeah? We're taking pictures for the gram. Why are you zooming me?
Ifunyanya.
Do you guys remember this view from the room? The whole view, everything, do you remember?
I think they do.
Oh my god! In slow motion, yeah.
It's so clear.
Alright, let's take pictures. Am I gonna get wet?